Hey everybody, how's it going? This was a gift from my wife for Christmas, something I had on my Amazon wish list. After researching for a long time, I've had other dash cams that have been all right. They've done the job, but not quite what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted at a decent price. It's the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam, model R2-4K. It's it does everything I want and nothing I don't want. It has night vision, well, decent night vision, 4K, built-in Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, sports up to a 512 gigabyte memory card. They use those micro SD cards. Um, Sony IMX335, whatever that means. You can rotate the video, distortion correction, G sensor, which means if your car is parked and somebody hits it, it starts recording. 150-degree view angle, loop recording. I have it set for a 10-minute loop. You can go anywhere from 1 minute. The thing behind the loop is you've got the memory card in there. You can't record days, weeks, months worth of video. It just won't. There's no memory card in the world that'll store all that. So I have it set to record in 10-minute loops. So it records 10 minutes, and if nothing happens in that time, it just re-records over it. If there is a collision in that time, it automatically saves it. True WDR, I don't know what that is. 24-hour parking mode. That's again with the motion sensor. So even when it's off, it will still, it has an internal battery that lasts, I don't know, like 30 seconds or something, whatever. And it will turn it on and record if it senses a shock. Motion detection, I mentioned that, night vision, and screensaver. Not sure what that's about. But yeah, Wi-Fi and app support. I have the app downloaded to my phone. I would show you guys that, but I'm recording with this. It's really simple anyway. So unbox it first of all. This did not come with it. This I picked up at the drugstore, London Drugs. They sell cameras and all that stuff. Decent deal there. I just got a, what is this one? 100 megabytes? Lots. So it comes with these cards on top. The first one is quick start guide, just to get you up and running. Say you bought this, you're on vacation, and you want to use it right now. You can just use this card and you'll be up and going in no time. If you have any problems, this thing is filled with these codes that you can just scan with your phone to go to websites that'll help you out. I didn't have any problems, so I never had to use these. I did use this to activate my warranty, 1-year warranty. No problem. It took like 30 seconds to activate the warranty. Comes with an instruction book, which is fairly thick. I actually, believe it or not, have read through this because it does a lot of things, but it's very simple and intuitive to use. It has this little pad that you can stick to someplace you want to stick it. I don't know how else to explain it. This is an empty plastic bag. This is the dash cam itself. You can see the packaging it comes in. It's really nice packaging. I mean, it's a quality product, packed very well. Nice high density foam in there. So we'll take that out. Take the camera out. And this is the camera itself. It has this little lens cover. I can take that off now. Stick that there. There's your lens. This is where the mount mounts. This is your GPS antenna. The back has a little cover over the screen. I can turn it on now, but it probably won't stay on long because the battery's not charged. Let's see. Come on. There we go.
Video mode.
And that's it. It has a TV output, so you can just play this right to your television if you need to show someone. So the buttons are menu, up, emergency lock, which you would do, say you got into an accident, you just reach up, hit emergency lock, and it saves any video recorded. Down, LCD off. These also have things, mute, emergency lock, LCD off, record, confirm, okay. Inputs, this is the USB input for the charging it, to keep it charged, power it. HD out, it's a micro HDMI that you can connect to your television there. On this side, that's where your micro SD card goes. Class 10 speed U3, power button beside it. And that's it. It's pretty simple. It has a built-in microphone so it can record your conversations in the car. You can turn that on and off. That's it for the box, just some more foam here. But it is really nice packaging. It's a quality package. It's not just shipped in some lightweight brown cardboard like that thing was. So let's open this up, see what all's in here. Like, I don't know, but I have gone through this all before the video just to make sure everything was there when I first got it. These are some clips for running the wiring. It comes with 2 cables to wire it in. So this would be the cable you'd want to use if you were kind of wiring it in permanently. It's a longer cable, like you can run this along your window pillar and across to where the mirror is, run it all behind the dash, whatever you need, that'll do it. So it's regular USB on one side and the charger for that, the other. And again, these are just some clips to hold the wire in place if you need be. This is for a more permanent mount. It's just a 3M 2-sided tape, so you can stick it there if you don't plan on taking it off. This is a USB, just a thingy, you know, you plug it into your power outlet. There's 2 USB connections on it. This is your regular cord that you just plug into, you know, put that in your cigarette lighter, plug this into there and just go straight up to the camera. You don't care about the wire hanging there. If it's just, say you're using a rental car or something. Comes with this handy little plastic tool. If you are trying to hide the wire, you can use this to pry back interior panels, push them in, use this to push the wire in. These are great. Very handy for that. Says a lot that they've actually included that with the camera. I've never seen another camera include that. And this is your standard suction cup. You know, it locks. See how it pulls in when you... So that's, you'd put that on the window, then you turn this, and see how it sucks the center in? That would cause it to stick to your thing. And it's lockable position, so clickable. You can tighten these so it can't move. So yeah, it's multi-position. Everything works great. So not sure which mount I'm going to go with at this point. First, we're going to try the suction cup, which will just slide. You'll see this has a T-bar on it up top. Let's see, put my hand there so you guys can see it. There you go. And it slides into the top of the camera like such. Oops, turned it on. It'll shut itself off in no time. There it goes. Okay, so that fits in. And then we can adjust that for your angle of your windshield. There you go. Tighten that up. We'll save that for the car. We won't be using that. Don't think we need this. I think I have enough empty USB ports in the car. Not sure we'll be needing the cable. We will use the shorter cable for now just to try it out. What we'll do is we'll try it right here. I don't even need to take you guys in the car. You guys know how to stick something to the windshield with a suction cup, so you don't need me to show you. I do have it already set up. Again, it's fairly simple. You go through, I'm in Canada, so I have it switched to English, kilometers per hour. Go and set your date and time, your length, how long you want it to loop. So let's just plug this in. I've got this Ryobi speaker up here with a USB port on it. You can plug that into. Turn it on. There we go.
Power on.
We'll plug this into here, and this should automatically come on once it gets power, I believe. I could be wrong. No, I'm right. So there we go. So you can see it automatically starts recording. So if your car is one of those ones that when you shut it off, the power goes off, and turn it on, the power goes on, perfect. You never have to touch this. So there you go. So the menu you can bring up. Stop it. It brings up. It's kind of bright for you guys to see. So it just brings up resolution, loop recording, video recording, G sensor. What else? WDR, not sure what that is. Exposure, time lapse record, parking mode, 24-hour auto parking mode, G sensor, record audio, stamp, speed unit, hide status icons, live speed, distortion correction, rotate video. So that's it for that. We're at 1080p. Okay, let's get rid of that. There we go. It's really simple. I mean, if you wait a minute, it's got all this writing on here. Tells you it's recording 1920 by 1080p, 60. How long it's been recording, battery level, tells you your card in, tells you sound is on, tells you your motion sensor is good, the battery's charging, date, time, G-Shock is on, what it's set to. It's set to mid-level. You can set it for high sensitivity, low sensitivity. Yeah, I don't know if that does anything. WDR again, not sure what that is. I think that's my 10-minute 10-minute write over time, whatever it is, and just camera, just tells you on. So if you wait, we're at 49 seconds here now. At a minute, I should lose all this writing, so you don't have to look at all that. You can just see what the picture is. So let's see, it should be going any second now. There we go. Pretty cool, eh? And I like this one because it's small. I can put it way up high on the windshield where nobody's going to see it. And I can just leave it there. I don't have to take it down and put it off, which is why I'm thinking I'll probably go with the hard mount for it. So, yeah, that's about it. This was, I'll put a link to it down below. I believe this was $150 Canadian, so probably about $100 for you guys in the States. So, yeah. There's your micro SD card. I don't want to pop that out while it's running. But it does have a GPS, so oops, I just took a picture. You can do screenshots quickly hitting the power button. Let's see if I can go to menu. Let's go to
system settings.
No, we don't want that.
Recording started.
I don't know. Anyway, it does tell you your speed. It records the speed. Could be handy if you get into an accident. It'll prove you weren't speeding, what happened. I've had a dash cam for the last almost 20 years, I think. It has saved me once. Once is enough. The other ones I've had have been cheap ones, like $50. They don't have the GPS or any of that stuff. Just record. And they've served their purpose. But I want to step up to something a little better this time. So this is what I got. There you go. And so, theoretically,
System settings.
Unplug it. It'll probably go off because the internal battery hasn't been charged. It's just been sitting in the box since Christmas. Or not. Or it'll last forever. No. We'll shut it down. The power and shut it down. So that's it. It's light. It's not terribly heavy, but it doesn't feel cheap. It has a good quality feel to it, and it gets fabulous reviews online. So I'll let you guys know once I've used it for a while what I think of it, but so far I think it's great. So there you go. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. Again, it's the Rove R2-4K. I was not given this. I was not paid to do any promotion for this. This was a Christmas gift that I picked out. So, yeah, it's my honest opinion. Again, my honest opinion, I haven't used it yet, so I can't say how great it is, but, I mean, they're really simple machines, so there's not a lot can go wrong. If anything goes wrong, I will be sure to update this video. I'll leave something in the comments. I'll also leave something after I've used it for a couple weeks to let you guys know what I think about it. So, there you go. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Have a great day. Take care. Stay safe. Drive safe. And all of that stuff. Have a good one. See you in the next video. Hey everybody, thanks for sticking around. I decided to switch cameras so I could show you guys the app a little bit. So there's the camera. I've got it plugged in. It's not doing anything. Just looking at the corner of my workbench. So we'll go onto my phone. There's the Yo GPS. No, that's not it. Rove Dash Cam is the one I want. Sorry. Come on. Let's see here. There we go. Let me see if this... Shut that off. See if that makes any difference. Get less. Yeah. So there you go. That's what the app looks like. Connect to Rove Dash Cam. So it should come up in here on the Wi-Fi. You connect to it via Wi-Fi. So I turn on my Wi-Fi. Where's my Rove Cam? Oh, I do have the Wi-Fi turned off on here. So let's go to menu. Speed. No, we don't want any of that. That's what we want. We're going to go to Wi-Fi. Okay. On. There we go. Sorry, I had that turned off because I was doing some other stuff. Now this should show up on here. Let's turn this off again, see if my phone will find it. Rove R2-4K and a bunch of numbers. It'll give you the passcode when you first do it. When you first try to... There you go. I've already got the password saved on here. The instructions gives you the password. You can change that on your own. So we'll go there. We'll open up the Rove amp again. It's connected, so you can see that it's showing what. So you can turn that on when you're driving to see. I think you can even go full screen. Or not. I don't know. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. So anyway, so it's recording. You can see that. But you can also go to Dash Cam videos. You can see any videos that you've recorded. So I've got a bunch that I've started. Nothing in the car. You can go back. Album. Oh, sorry. You can go to... Okay, now I've started something I shouldn't have. Okay, let's go back to Dash Cam videos. We're in playback mode, as you hear. So let's go to photos. You saw me snap those pictures when I was showing you the video. There you go. And there's another one. So yeah, you can do all sorts of stuff with this, with the app itself. You can go into settings to set everything. There's, you know, home, switch. There's a Rove community. You can clear the cache. You can do everything from the app. Anything you can do on there, you can do from the app, which is a lot easier than fooling with those. So that's it. I just thought I'd add this little bit to the end of the video to show you guys that, you know, it does indeed connect to the phone app. There you go. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for sticking with me. See you later.